To protect Google Chrome from hackers and enhance your browsing security, follow these step-by-step guide. Avoid phishing and malicious websites. Hackers use phishing and malicious websites to steal your passwords, credit card details, and personal information. They disguise fake websites to look like real ones, tricking you into entering sensitive data. Chrome has built-in phishing protection that warns you when you enter your credentials on suspicious sites. To enable this, open Google Chrome. Type Chrome Settings Security in the address bar. Turn on Warn you if passwords are exposed in a data breach. You always have to verify links before clicking. To check if a link is safe, copy the suspicious link. Do not click. Use Google's transparency report to check if a site is safe. Visit transparencyreport.google.com. Safe browsing search. Paste the suspicious link or enter the website URL in the search bar. If the website is detected as unsafe, do not enter any personal details or download anything from it. Next, let us enable site isolation to protect against exploits and data leaks. Site isolation is a security feature in Chrome that isolates each website in its own process, preventing malicious sites from stealing data from other open tabs. This adds an extra layer of protection against browser-based exploits like Spectre. To enable full site isolation, right-click your Chrome shortcut. Select Properties. In the target field, add this at the end. --site-pair-process. Click Apply. And OK. Restart Chrome to apply changes. This prevents cross-site scripting attacks. It stops malicious sites from stealing session data and also provides extra protection against zero-day browsing exploits. Strengthen your passwords in Chrome. Using weak passwords makes it easier for hackers to access your accounts. Strengthening your passwords is a crucial step to securing your Google Chrome experience. Open Chrome password settings. Type Chrome Password Manager Settings in the address bar and hit enter. Enable Chrome's password management features. Turn on Offer to save passwords. This helps you store strong passwords securely. Optionally, you can enable auto sign-in, which allows Chrome to log you in automatically. The next step is to check for weak or compromised passwords. Select Checkup from the left panel. Chrome will scan your saved passwords and alert you if your passwords are weak, your passwords have been leaked in a data breach, or you are using the same password on multiple sites, which is not recommended. To update weak or compromised passwords immediately, select the 3 horizontal dots close to the website and click Edit to make the changes. The next step is to disable unnecessary extensions. Browser extensions can enhance Chrome's functionality, but they also pose a security risk if untrusted or malicious extensions are used. Hackers often use compromised extensions to steal data, inject malware, or track online activity. Removing unnecessary or suspicious extensions improves security. In the address bar, type Chrome Extensions. Press Enter to access the Extensions Manager. Look through the lists and check for unknown, outdated, or untrusted extensions. If you don't recognize an extension, it may be suspicious. Click on Details under each extension to review its permissions. Be cautious if an extension requests excessive permissions, such as read and change all your data on all websites, access clipboard data, or modify browser settings. To remove unnecessary or untrusted extensions, click Remove next to any extension you don't need or trust. Confirm by clicking Remove again in the pop-up. Repeat for all suspicious or unnecessary extensions. Optionally, you can disable unused extensions. If you occasionally use an extension but don't want to remove it, toggle the switch off to disable it. The next step is to block third-party cookies to prevent tracking. Third-party cookies are used by websites to track your online activity across different websites. While they help advertisers show personalized ads, they can also be exploited by hackers and malicious actors for tracking and even session hijacking. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Privacy settings. In the left panel, click Privacy and Security. Click on Third-Party Cookies. In the General Settings section, select Block Third-Party Cookies. This will prevent advertisers, tracking companies, and potentially malicious websites from collecting your browsing data. The next step is to use a secure DNS. A domain name system translates website names like google.com into IP addresses. By default, your internet provider assigns a DNS, but it may not be encrypted, leaving you vulnerable to DNS hijacking, phishing, and man-in-the-middle attacks. Navigate to the Secure DNS option. In the left panel, click Privacy and Security. Click Security. Scroll down to Use Secure DNS section. Toggle Use Secure DNS to on. Choose a secure DNS provider. Select with custom instead of the default ISP provided DNS. Choose a secure DNS provider from the list. Cloudflare is best for privacy and speed. Google is reliable and widely supported. The next thing to do is to enable Enhanced Safe Browsing. Enhanced Safe Browsing is a Google Chrome security feature that actively scans for threats and prevents attacks. Under Safe Browsing, you will see three options. No protection, which is not recommended. Standard protection, which is the default settings. Enhanced protection, which is the strongest security. Select enhanced protection to enable real-time threat detection. When enabled, Chrome warns you about malicious websites before you visit them, checks for harmful downloads, and prevents you from opening them, protects your Google Chrome account from phishing attempts, and also sends real-time security reports to Google to improve threat detection. This feature provides stronger protection than Chrome's standard security settings by using Google's AI-driven threat database. Restart Chrome. Close and restart Chrome to apply the changes. Now Chrome will actively monitor and protect you against security threats. The next step is to use a VPN on public Wi-Fi to protect your data from hackers. Public Wi-Fi networks like cafes, airports, and hotels are not secure, making it easy for hackers to intercept your data. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, preventing cyber criminals from spying on your activities. To use a VPN on public Wi-Fi, choose a reliable VPN provider. Use trusted VPN services like ProtonVPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Movad. Click the Download tab. Choose your operating system version and download the VPN on your PC. Open the downloaded file and follow the default instructions to install the software. To connect to a secure server, open the VPN app. Select Quick Connect to establish a secure connection. Always choose a location close to you for better speed. To verify your VPN is working, visit www.whatismyip.com before and after connecting to check if your IP address has changed. Always keep the VPN on while using public Wi-Fi. Don't disable the VPN while browsing, streaming, or entering sensitive information like passwords or banking details. VPN encrypts your data, which prevents hackers from stealing passwords, emails, or financial information. Hides your IP address, which protects against tracking and location leaks, and also prevents man-in-the-middle attacks, which blocks attackers from intercepting your connection. Always keep Chrome updated to prevent vulnerabilities. Hackers exploit security vulnerabilities in outdated browsers. Google Google regularly releases updates to patch security flaws, so keeping Chrome updated is important. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Help. Click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them.